Hi, everybody. Welcome back. This is Richard L. Scott, the Black Christian Geek, on day 12 of my FreeBSD challenge. I've been able to get the basics done um, on this machine. Firefox runs fine, and I was able to load a couple of other browsers, but unfortunately, I've been unsuccessful in getting Vivaldi and, more importantly for me, Google Chrome to run on it. I have learned and spent quite a bit of time trying to get this to work, where FreeBSD provides a Linux binary compatibility layer, often called uh, Linuxulator, like a Linux emulator. And it's supposed to sit on top of FreeBSD, excuse me, and allow you to run Linux packages. After several hours, I just had to take a break and a step away. It has not worked for me. The basics seem to work just fine, and when I say basics, I mentioned the web browser and Thunderbird. I don't have it set up for this particular account, but Thunderbird works likewise just fine to set up. I'll just open it up so you can see. If I were to go through and set the account up, Thunderbird will work just fine. So I'm able to do the basic stuff: browse the web, check my messages, LibreOffice, all of that stuff works. The issues that I'm having is still being able to synchronize thing outside of Firefox. I was able to sync Firefox, so I'm able to open up LibreOffice, use those tools again to cover basic stuff. I'll go with Tab, and all of that works fine. But without being able to sync cloud services on my computer to be able to save files, the records to the cloud, it would make it pretty tough for me to use BSD as my daily driver. Even when you go to set up and look at online accounts, that it's just open desktop. It's nothing here. I'm used to being able to select some actual cloud drivers. But hey, customization. This will be, I guess, kind of like a twofer covering the KDE desktop. I am able to do some of the customizations that I would do. All of this is seamless and just like it would be on Linux. I usually go to picture of the day and Bing just to change the desktop just to make it a little bit more appealing. And that picture changes each day. Some quick settings. I'll change that automatic. Um, Apply. That's not what I want to go to. Colors and themes. I have this based on, so the light and dark changes based on the time of day of the system. And I'm going to tell it to get the accent colors and pull this back up so you can see. accent colors to change based on the wallpaper, and you see that the earth tones and nature colors with that sloth on the tree in the background. So when I say come from wallpaper and click apply, you see all the colors and changes take effect. So I'll run through a few others. You scroll down to see the different offering. I'll select oxygen and I'll leave that the same. I'll select oxygen. Got it for that. And you see like that little blue glow. I like that glow around it. And we get to some of the other settings you can't see through there now, but I'll try to take the time to cover and select the blue as opposed to the white. I changed my pointer to 48 just to make it more pronounced, easier to see. Splash screen, oxygen, and now if I can, still not the one, animations, desktop effects. That's the one I'm trying to get to. Uh, I'll just do this for the wow factor, and I'm gonna open up another one of these so you can see um, when you close it how it breaks apart. Close and it breaks apart. That's what that fall apart option is. Some of the others, I was mentioning transparency earlier. You see, when I put this over that, you can't see what's behind it. But if you select transparency, click apply, now when I move over it, you can see one folder behind the other one. I love the wobbly windows. I come here, take it from less to more. So when you pick a window up, uh, you get the wobbly effect, dim, and slide back. That's another one I like. So when you select one, it's just a nice effect. One sliding, slide it in front of the other one. Yep, that's better. I had to click apply. So where instead of just appearing, where it makes that little jumping effect, cube, apply, and if I go into overview mode, there you go. I need to create 4 desktops for the effect to really take effect. And now if you do Meta key C or Windows key C, you get the cube effect. So you can see as it turns around. I could go through a few more of the settings, but I basically just wanted to take the time to just say, um, and this is a quick tip side note, but by default, it's going to be the open document format. But if you needed to send it to someone who was using Macs or Windows or perhaps Microsoft 365, Microsoft Office 365, you could change it here to that type format. And I just say test doc save. And if you send it to them, it'll look just like a Word document. They'll be able to come in, open it just like a Word document. But here's the wrap up because I've rambled on and showed some of the settings. the basics on FreeBSD work great. I'm able to take care of some of the necessities I need to do, like browsing the web and checking my email, but without being able to sync and get cloud services to be able to sync my Google Drive, OneDrive, and some other things, I still, 12 days in, almost 2 weeks into the free BSD challenge, just don't see being able to replace Linux as my daily driver for free BSD. But hey, it's been fun learning and it is functional as you can see for the basics. Again, this is Richard L. Scott, the Black Christian Geek. Stay tuned. I want to keep trying to keep y'all updated until we get to that Linux Unplugged 665 or 666 episode where they talk about what others may have said about the free BSD challenge. Thanks again, and God bless.